Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our settings. So on the search bar, just search for Windows Security. And then after that, just click on Open right here. So once you click on Open, what we're going to do next, just go into App and Browser Control. And then in this part, you will see this Smart App Control. So click on Smart App Control Settings. And then in this part, on the Smart App Control, make sure that it is set to turn off. After that, once you do it, just try to open your software once again and then see if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar, search for Run, and then click on Open, and then type regedit. After that, click on OK. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to first click on HK local machine. And then after that, go to system and then look for current control set. And then after that, in this part, we're going to click on control and then look for CL. And then in this part, we're going to click on policy. In this part, you will see this verified and reputable policy state. So we're going to double click on it and then change the value data from 0 to 1. After that, click on OK, and then just restart your PC. And then once you do that, just open your Windows Security once again, and then go to App and Browser Control, and then click on Smart App Control Settings. You will now be able to change it to on and off again. So that is basically it.